Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the adjustable height mobile computer desk, perfect for small spaces and versatile enough for any room in your home. This innovative desk can be adjusted from 24 to 35.4 inches, allowing you to find your ideal working height, and its 4 smooth wheels make it easy to move wherever you need. With a spacious 31.5 by 15.75 inch desktop, this desk provides ample room for work, dining, or gaming, and is constructed with a sturdy metal frame and E-Class environmental MDF board for durability. The desk also features a waterproof, 3-layer shelf, perfect for storing books, office supplies, or decorative items, ensuring your workspace is both functional and stylish. Assembly is a breeze with all tools, hardware, and instructions included, making it easy to set up as a portable presentation lectern, mobile standing desk, or laptop table in any room. Plus, with our dedicated after-sales service, you can feel confident in your purchase, knowing we're here to assist with any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more innovative product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.